Hear my prayer. I am weak. I am pulling from the strength within me, searching for help with this heavy load. My strength needs refreshing, and only you can supply that. Mold me, shape me. I am your clay. Even with all this on me, strengthen me, guide me into my strength. Guide me through this dark period. Guide me, oh God. Amen and amen.